Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into Devices Settings and choosing Other Wireless Connections right away. Now click on Printing. Select the default print service and wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. In order to use a different service, turn off this one first by tapping on blue switcher. Go back. Click on Add Service and download the best one for you. In my case, HP1. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings and click on it. Then wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!